Hello everyone, I am Shamanth CSAT faculty at Insights. I welcome you once again for the CSAT series, question of the day 22. In a class of 69 students, Rakesh's rank is 11 ahead of Mukesh. What is the position of Rakesh from the top if Mukesh is 32nd from last? Okay. To be specific, from the last you can take. From the last. Okay. The last is nothing but a specific. Okay, the last is means the person who is standing at the last will be the first person. The top means first person. Okay, specific position. The top means first person. Now, this question is chosen from the topic ranking and order. Okay, every year we are getting questions from this one. In a class of 69 students, okay, totally 69 students are there in this. Okay. 69 students. Rakesh's rank is 11 ahead of Mukul. See, always the rank which is ahead means towards the top. Okay, so Rakesh is somewhere here, R Rakesh, and Mukesh is somewhere here. And Rakesh is 11 ahead of Mukul. Okay. What is the position of Rakesh from the top if Mukesh is 32nd from the last? See, Mukesh's position is 32nd from the last. If you start counting Mukesh's position from the last, means whoever sitting at the last will be the first person. If you start counting like this, Mukesh's position will be 32nd. Okay, counting in this direction, isn't it? I am starting to count in this direction, hence I have denoted it by arrow 32. And Rakesh is 11 ahead of Mukul means his position will be 11 after 32, that is 43rd from this direction only. Okay. Now we got the direction of Mukul as well as Rakesh from the last now. In this 69 students, okay, this is a story of 69 students in which Rakesh's position we got to know from the last is 43. In this 69 students, if Rakesh is 43 from this position, apart from Rakesh, how many people are left here? Out of 69, till here we got 43. So, the remaining has to be 26 students, isn't it? Okay. See, 26 students from here to here, including Rakesh, that is 43. So, the remaining 26 means totally this becomes 69. Okay. See, imagine there are 26 people are there in front of you in a row. Okay, in a line, you are standing and in front of you 26 people are there. And your position will be, or else in this case, Rakesh's position, when I count from here, after counting 26, Rakesh's position is 27th. Okay, many students will make mistake here by taking only 26. It's not taking the difference. Here, try to do it manually using the logic here. So, the answer is 27th here, not 26. This is the bouncer of previous video question. Two numbers when divided by 17 leaves remainder 13 and 11 respectively. If the sum of these two numbers is divided by 17, then the remainder will be what? Okay, this is the topic number system and the concept here is remainder theorems or concepts. Okay, look here, I'll show you how the remainders works. If I divide 11 by 5, okay, the remainder is 1. Okay, 11 by 5, remainder is 1. If I divide 12 by 5, the remainder is 2. Okay, I am dividing 11 by 5 and dividing 12 by the same number 5, remainder is 2. If I add these two numbers, okay, 11 plus 12, that is 23. If I divide by the same divisor 5, then the remainder would be 3 here. Okay, I have explained it briefly these theorems in the previous videos also. Okay, so the remainder is 3 in this case. See, here the remainder is 1, here the remainder is 2. So, if I add these two, 1 and 2, that's nothing but 3 only, right? Okay. For example, if I take this as m, okay, divide by a. If I take this as n, divide by the same a. Let's consider this as the remainder r1, this as the r2 in this case. Okay. So, m divided by a, remainder is r1, n divided by a, remainder is r2. So, if you divide m plus n by a, then the remainder r is equal to r plus 1 r2. Okay, theoretically, if you understand this one, this whole example becomes very easy. Understood? If you add these two, 11 plus 12, that is 23. 23 divided by the same divisor 5, then the remainder also will get added up. Now, the question is based on this concept here now. Look here. Two numbers when divided by 17 leaves remainder 13 and 11 respectively. Let's consider one number m divided by 17. Okay, remainder R1 is equal to 13. Okay, R1 is 13. If the, and another number n, when you divide by the same 17, let's say R2 is equal to 11. So when you divide the sum of those two numbers, see, if the sum of those two numbers is divided by 17, the remainder will be what? Remainder also gets added up. See, 13 plus 11, that is 24. But the answer is not 24 in this case, because when you are dividing it by 17, okay, when you are dividing any number by 17, the remainder can't be more than 17, right? If it is more than 17, then definitely you will do the division again, isn't it or not? Okay, see, when you are dividing a particular number by 17, the remainder can't be more than 17. When you are dividing it by 17, if you are getting the remainder as more than 17, this is more than 17, right? What will you do? You will do the remainder again, or else the division process continues. If the division process continues, 24 divided by 17, what is the remainder then? The remainder will be 7. No more division is possible, isn't it? In this case, the answer is 7 here. Okay. This is the bouncer of the day. Try to answer this question. This is the topic which I have discussed in the video. The same ranking and order. Try to get the answer and put it in the comment section, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.